So today's video is about how to cut your own axles. These are from Speedway. It doesn't make a difference if they're Speedway, Speedmaster, Strange, Moser, any of the cut to fit axles. I would recommend definitely making sure you measure, take your time on them. You'd rather measure 100 times, get it right, than to cut too soon and then be like, Here's the thing, you can't put metal back, right? So take your time during the measuring process. As you can see, I'm gonna double up on the tape. I'm gonna create the groove that I'm gonna cut in. Now some of you guys will say, why am I not using a chop saw? Personally, I like to start with the grinder first. This way I can create that groove, get a nice, even follow all the way around, and I can control the axle. So I'm turning the axle as well at the same time I'm creating that groove. So now that I've created my groove, it's time for me to grab my big boy grinder. This is a whole lot easier when you're finishing the process. The air grinder does great, but it's just gonna take too long. So I put a fresh blade on this. I'm gonna lay it flat into my vise on the bench, and I'm turning that axle as I'm cutting. As you can see, every time I pull the grinder away, I'm really looking for the groove to see how deep I'm getting, and I'm gonna just keep hitting it as I'm turning. Keep turning, keep grinding, keep turning, keep grinding. Oh, almost got my toes. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and do the finishing touch. In order to finish this whole process, we want to round the edge on your axle. This way it will fit right into the grooves on the spool. So this is the process when you buy cut to fit axles and you need to cut them to make them fit. Good luck.